maintaining and printing learner progress reports 12.7. Let us start with 12.7.10, the progress and promotion reports. This is for the Eastern Cape only. They select the year, and then once they've been completed, the selected grades have been completed. For example, grades 1 to 7 do not have any data, so they are backed out. And over here you can select the specific grade, the senior phase grade 7 to 8, the specifically grade 8, and then click on print to print that report out. Let's click on done. Let's go now to right at the top, 12.7.11, maintain progress report cycles. You can then choose for what specific year. Then you can filter the list by a specific phase, foundation, intermediate, senior and FET. By selecting one, you can either edit it or delete it completely, or print the cycle list that you have set over here. If you want, you can click show all and it will show all of them again. If you wish to add a specific one, then you click over here. You can put in the cycle number, its description, and then again in Afrikaans, and filling in all the specific details. Remember, you need to click on save to add this information permanently. Click on done when you're finished. Click on done again. 12.7.12, view national rating codes. Once again, this is the same one that we saw earlier, filtering by grade, and then again which version. Click on done when you're finished. 12.7.13, maintain promotion descriptors. You can click on a description to select it or delete it. It has a specific ID, its description, again its description in Afrikaans, and then your code that you will be using. To edit it, select one and then edit the information here. If you wish to delete one, select it and click on delete. If you wish to add, click on the add button, and then you can fill in your promotion description, the Afrikaans description, and then the schedule code. Remember to save any information. 12.7.14, maintain subject comments list. You can add a specific number. Remember to type directly onto the grid to make changes or to add comments. Once again, a comment must be numbered in order to save the comment completely. So we can add both in. I don't think that's Afrikaans, but. And then there's an option here to fix subject comments or re-index them. There's also another option to print the grid and then to delete a specific item. Remember to save and then click on done. 12.7.15, maintain report subject order. Firstly, by selecting the grade, you can then change the order you wish them to be presented. Remember that you click in under the order and you can add in your number that you want it to be displayed. Do you want it to appear on the schedule, yes or no? There is an option for you to print if you want to print the specific grid. Remember to click on save. I'm not going to save my changes. I'm going to click on done. 12.7.16 is the same that we saw earlier, and we will not be covering that again. We shall move on to 12.7.18, which is maintain learner promotion decisions and learner general report comments. First you select your grade, then a specific class you wish to deal with, and then your cycle. Click on Go. All the comments and promotional results will only be saved for learners that have marks entered for the cycle. As you can see, each of these have been entered. Then from here we can select the promotion or progression decision. Remember, these have been set up earlier. We decided we're going to select, for example, this one, promoted. For example, this one, not promoted. And any report or general comment can be added in here. You can also show the levels or specifically the marks. Remember to save. For now I'm just going to click on Done. The last option here is 12.7.19 Print Learner Progress Reports. Once again, you need to specify your grade, your class again, the specific year and the cycle, then click on Go. You need to tick the specific learners. Then, for example, these learners, their language that has been specified earlier is Afrikaans, and so this will remain Afrikaans. If you wish to print in English though, you can click over here for English, and then the number of learners for the specific language is indicated over here. As of now there's none, so I'm going to keep it in Afrikaans because there are 12 in the class, and I've only selected 3 of these for now, these first 3. You can filter though by specific learners, or if you want to print for the whole class. Select the progress format. So for example, these are in grade 10, so I'm going to print for the senior phase for a single term because I'm printing for the first term. Oh, forgive me, that's not right. I'm going to print the progression format. I'm going to change this quickly. Okay, and I'm going to select for the progress format for FET, and for all the terms I'm going to include a learner photo. You don't have to, but you can include your learner photo if you have added any. The letterhead, you can either use the printed letterhead or use the system's letterhead. Remember that you can change your default printed letterhead over here. Then you can specify your header and footer, the top and the bottom margins, and then on the left hand side and right hand side margin. When you print your blank report covers per phase, you can choose what phase it is in. As of now I'm working in grade 10, so it is FET. And then your cover language, be it Afrikaans or English. Print your blank report cover, you can print it over here. This is specifically for the blank cover reports. If you all these options that you've selected over here, you need to print over here, which is print progress report. This over here, this button here, only deals with printing of the blank report cover. Click on Done when you're finished.